All right, let's get right into it. What we're talking about today isn't some small incremental improvement. We're looking at a fundamental breakthrough in lithium-ion batteries, one that completely redefines the performance limits and gives us a massive defensible edge in the market. This is the anode advantage.
So let's cut straight to the headline, 14.5%. And let me be perfectly clear, this isn't a future projection or some lab experiment. This is a real, measured, and verified increase in battery capacity that we have achieved right now. For anyone in the EV space, you know that's the difference between being a follower and being a leader. It's the bottom line number that will define our position in the market.
And you know, this 14.5% is so much more than just a number on a spec sheet. It's a market-ready leap in energy density. What does that mean in the real world? It means longer range for electric vehicles, it means longer life for our electronics, and it means more efficient grid storage. This isn't just an improvement, it's a new benchmark for performance, and that allows us to command the market.
So how on earth did we do it? Well, the answer is in our core IP, something we call the tortuosity advantage. This is the science, the secret sauce that drives our performance gains, and you better believe it's fully protected.
Okay, so what in the world is tortuosity? Think of it like this. For a battery to work, lithium ions have to travel through the anode. In pretty much every standard battery out there, that path is like a slow, winding country road. It's inefficient. What we've done is engineer a superhighway. And the impact on the business is just incredibly direct. The old way, high tortuosity, means you're leaving performance on the table. It's a bottleneck. Our solution completely optimizes those pathways for the ions. The result? Super efficient power delivery, higher capacity, and performance that was just locked away before. We've turned a fundamental problem into an open road. You know, our patented process is really beautiful in its simplicity, but it's incredibly precise. We start with a standard anode mixture, but the real magic happens in our proprietary drying and calendering stages. By compressing the electrode in just the right way, we basically build that perfect internal superhighway. It's a process that is repeatable, scalable, and most importantly, it's exclusively ours.
Okay, I've made some pretty big claims. Now, let's look at the evidence. We're moving from the how to the proof. The next few slides have the hard data that validates everything I've just said. This isn't marketing speak. This is just physics.
And here it is, Exhibit A. The baseline anode, think of it as the industry standard, gets you a capacity of 2074 milliamp hours. Our optimized T4 anode, using the exact same base materials, delivered 2374. That is a clean, undeniable 14.5% gain. And it's all achieved through our process, not by using expensive new materials. The numbers here are just crystal clear.
When you see it like this visually, the story is even more powerful, isn't it? That gap between those two bars isn't just a technical spec. That's our competitive moat. That's the reason our product will outperform everything else on the market, and our patents make sure this advantage is ours for years to come.
Of course, any smart long-term investor is going to ask, that's great, but does it last? Well, Exhibit B answers that with a definitive yes. This isn't some short-lived burst of power. We have validated our tech over more than 800 charge and discharge cycles, and it demonstrates excellent stability. It meets or even exceeds the lifespan requirements for the top EVs and electronics out there today. And maybe the most important part, it's safe. We put ourselves through the ringer, subjecting them to the tough UN 38.3 standard tests that are required to even get to market. Our T4 anode passed every single one: altitude, heat, shock. This clears a huge regulatory hurdle and seriously de-risks our timeline to enter the global market. We're not just powerful and durable, we are ready to go today.
So, we have the proof. We have the technology. Now let's talk about where we're going to deploy it. We're shifting gears from the lab to the absolutely massive market opportunity that's just waiting for us. And this is not just a single cell sitting in a lab. As this quote here shows, we've already successfully demonstrated our technology in a real, high-power battery pack application. This real-world test proves the tech is robust and totally ready for integration with commercial partners.
And look, our technology isn't for some small niche market. We are targeting the largest sectors in energy. For EVs, our 14.5% advantage means market-leading range, period. For energy storage, it means a smaller physical footprint, which cuts down on real estate costs. For electronics, longer life. For aerospace, lighter solutions where every single gram counts. Every single one of these is a multi-billion-dollar opportunity where our performance is a game changer.
So the key takeaway is this. We've engineered a better product with a measurable 14.5% performance advantage. We've proven it's durable, and we've proven it's safe. That combination gives us a direct path to capturing significant market share from the incumbents who are just locked into their older, less efficient ways of doing things. We can move faster because our innovation is in the process, not the materials.
To close this out, the facts are clear. The breakthrough is real. The safety is certified. The market is demanding this solution. So the question isn't if we capitalize on this, but how quickly. Our next move is to lock in strategic partnerships in the EV sector, scale production, and establish ourselves as the new market leader. The time to act is now.